Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Savvy Word. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make bow tie for a group of choir, or that a group of persons can actually use. So you can see the measurement. You see you have to cut it this shape that I use. Now after cutting it straight, just slant it a little. Here I just went ahead to stitch them, like to sew them, then turn it over. Okay, turn the rough side inside. Then I'm using, because my fabric is not enough, I'm using this satin, is wide one, so I'm going to fold it in half and run it all through. Then this is how I'm making them, trying to just gather the middle, making sure it's equal, and that's it. So let me show you a picture of what I'm actually making, what my clients sent to me and what I delivered. Look at them, they look so beautiful. Let me show you what she sent me to do for her. You can see it's exactly the same. It's even more beautiful than the one they asked me to make. So if you like this video, please do wait to give it a thumbs up. Help us to share this video and stay tuned for more videos. We love you.